A warm welcome to English class. How's your day been? All good? Okay, so in the last class, I gave you a short sum up about the story, The Invisible Clothes. I hope you all remember that. Okay, so let me ask you one thing. The invisible clothes. What do you mean by this invisible? What is the opposite of this invisible? Yes, it's very easy. Visible. Right? Invisible opposite is visible. Can you say what is the meaning of this invisible? Invisible meaning? Not able to see. We can't see. Isn't it? Okay. Alright, now let me introduce the two main characters in this story. The first one is Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman. He was jester. He was jester. That means joker. Okay. And the next character. Which is the next character? Any idea? What's the name of that king? Yes, very good. Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya. So this is the king in this story. Okay, so I repeat. Tenali Raman and King Krishna Devaraya. These are the two characters in the story. Okay, and Tenali Raman, who was Tenali Raman? He was a jester. Jester means joker. Those who say jocks. Okay, and king. King is Krishna Devaraya. Alright, so get ready, take your English literature textbook. Let's start the story. Page number 19, lesson 3, The Invisible Clothes. Tenali Raman was a jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya. A jester was a person who made the king and his ministers laugh by his funny words and actions. So already I said Tenali Raman was a jester. Jester means joker. A jester was a person who made the king and the ministers laugh by his funny words and funny actions. So Tenali Raman was the jester in King Krishna Devaraya's court. What's his job? His main task is to make laugh the king and the other courtiers, other members in that kingdom by his funny actions and funny words. Okay, so that's his main task, Tenali Raman's task. And he was not only a joker but also he was very clever and intelligent. Tenali Raman was very intelligent. He was very clever. He could solve any problem. He was very intelligent. Thus, he could solve any problems in that court. The king, therefore, was fond of him. So, as I told that he was very intelligent and clever. So, King Krishna Devaraya liked this Tenali Raman very much. Okay. Now, turn the page number 20. One day, a beautiful lady came to the court and showed the king a lovely sari made of the finest material. Finest means a good material. Okay, so one day in that court, in the palace, in that king's palace, here comes a lady with a fine sari, with a good sari. And what happened? And that sari was made up of a good material, fine material. She said that she had a group of weavers who could create a fabric so fine that it would not be visible to the eye. And that lady said to the king and all the courtiers that I had a group of weavers with me. Weavers means those who are spinning the cloth. Okay, and that lady said to the king and other courtiers that I had a team of weavers and we are ready to make a good fabric of saris and dresses for you. And note down the word fabric. Have you heard that term fabric? Fabric meaning cloth produced by weaving or knitting fiber. Okay, so that's called as a good cloth, fiber. Okay, and she said that we are going to make good fiber of sari for you and that will be visible to the eye. We are going to weave a sari for you and that will be visible to the eye. Visible to the eye. I already asked you what you mean by invisible. Invisible meaning not able to see. We cannot see. And visible. And what do you mean by this visible meaning? We can see. But here the lady said that it would not be visible to the eye. That means when we make that sari, that fabric, using that fabrics, you can't see that. And the king was curious and gave her a year to weave him a complete set of clothes. So by hearing that lady, the king was very anxious and he was very curious. He wanted to know what she was going to do. Then the king gave her one whole year to weave that fabric. Then the king told her, yes, you are appointed. Now you can start your work and you should make a set of clothes for me. Thus she started her work. As the king waited for his special clothes, the lady and her friends in the meanwhile spent all their time enjoying the many gifts given to them by the king. So this lady started enjoying her days in that palace because the king and the other courtiers gave her so many gifts and she started enjoying her life in that palace. But the king was very curious. He wanted to know what type of clothes she was going to make. And she said that the dress and the cloth that she was making, that will be invisible. That will be invisible. So the king was very much curious to know what she was going to make. So, but that lady was not working hard. She started enjoying her life. Okay. At the end of 1 year, the king with Tenali Raman and other ministers visited the lady. Then the whole 1 year over. Then the king decided to visit that lady. Then the king called, hey Tenali Raman and the other courtiers, come, go, let's go and visit that lady. So they decided to visit that lady. Okay, so this is the half portion of the story. Let's continue the remaining portion in the next class. But you all must read the textbook twice. Okay, that is a must. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you.